Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key, and if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. I am going to be doing a review video, but I will be trying the Eco Gold, which I'm really excited to try. And I know I'm a bit late. I bought this actually about a month ago, but I didn't buy this online. Online it was like $18, but I waited until it was in the beauty supply and I got this for $6.99, and this is a 16 fluid ounce container, so I'm really excited to try this. But another reason why this video is actually going to be a bit interesting is because I'm going to be doing a wash and go, and I don't really do wash and goes like that. Really never done one on my channel, so this is going to be an exciting video. But I wanted to do this video just in case any of you have the same hair type as me, same texture or anything, and y'all wanted to see like how it works for my hair. Yeah, there are a couple of reasons why I don't really do wash and goes like that, because of shrinkage and single strand knots, and single strand knots frustrate me. This is going to be my first time trying it, so this is the Eco Gold. I'm pretty sure you all have saw lots and lots of reviews on this product, but this is the 16 fluid ounce. I have not opened it at all, so it's still sealed. It has olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. So I did shampoo and condition my hair. I'm not gonna be putting any leave-in in my hair. I'm not gonna be putting any oils in my hair. That's usually what I do, a leave-in and oil, but since all of this, it has so much oil, olive oil, black castor oil, and shea butter is also a moisturizer. The only thing I'm gonna be using is water and the Eco Style gel. So let's just get right into the video. I'm just gonna take my hair out of this braid. Okay, so this is how it looks. Actually clear, but it has like little gold specks in it. But it does feel a bit moisturizing, and it is thick. It feels like regular Eco Style to me. And as far as the smell, it smells really good. We're just gonna get right into it. Hopefully you all can see my hair. My hair is actually pretty moisturizing for me to shampoo and condition it and not have any leave-in in it. So I'm just gonna spritz my hair with some water, and I'm gonna be working in these 4 sections also. So I'm just gonna make sure my hair is completely drenched. Like I said, I don't really do wash and goes like that, but we should see how this works. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some Eco Style and I'm gonna put it on this one section, and then I'm gonna split it into different sections. So this is how it looks, and I'm gonna split this section into smaller sections and work in smaller sections. It gives me good definition, and it actually is moisturizing like everyone has been saying, but like my definition, that looks pretty nice. So I'm pretty much gonna speed this process up until I am like almost completely done, and then I'll show you all the finished product, or when I'm completely done applying this product. But the definition is pretty okay to me, so Okay, so now I'm completely finished doing my wash and go. So this is how my hair looks after I, you know, put all of the gel in my hair. It only took me 30 minutes to do. And this is all of the eco style that this is how much I have left. So I really didn't use that much. I still have a lot left. So let me know if you all would like to see any other hairstyles with this gel, because I know a lot of people only use this gel to do a wash and go. But if there's like any other styles you would all like to see me do with this gel, then make sure to comment down below. But I'm about to do like a close-up so you all can like see how it defines my hair and everything. And like I said, my hair is gonna shrink up much more once it dries, so I might stretch it, but once it completely dries, I will come back on camera to show you all the finished product and how my hair has dried with this gel. I think I'm gonna do a side part. So I might add just a tad bit more to my hair. So yeah, that was my first impression of the Eco Gold. This is my first time using it. It is very, very moisturizing. Like everyone has said, it does not have as much of a hold like the other gels do, but it does have a pretty decent hold to me. I feel like this one is way more moisturizing. And like I said, I didn't put any leave-in in my hair, and I did not add any gels, as you all saw, to my hair. So it's pretty moisturizing for, you know, a one product wash and go, just using water and gel. So I will be back once my hair is completely dry so that I can show you all the finished product and how the gel has dried my hair. Okay guys, so this is the results of my wash and go. I didn't fluff my hair or pick my hair or anything like that. I think I'm just gonna let it be a little bit flat for right now, but I did stretch my hair when it was like 85% dry. And this is how my hair is looking now. So this is my curl pattern, all with the Eco Gold. Like I said before in the video and the previous clips, this is only a one product wash and go. I use no leave-in, I use no oils, I just use the Eco Gold by itself. Don't really do wash and goes like that, don't really care too much or like wash and goes like that, but I wanted to try this out and show you all on camera for those of you who might have the same curl pattern, texture, hair type as me, so that you can see how it works on my hair and see how it may work for you. This is my hair. I do actually like it, but the only thing is I did apply gel to my roots. But my roots were still a bit puffy. But yeah, this is the results of my wash and go. I actually like it. Usually I'm not satisfied with my wash and goes, but yeah, it actually looks pretty decent. I do like the product, but it's not something that, you know, I'll go crazy over. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. Make sure to comment some videos, feedback on this video, all types of stuff. And yeah, your girl will see you all in my next video. Bye.